Top 10 Ethereum ERC20 tokens to buy in 2022. Now that Ethereum has successfully completed its merge, the number of platforms, dApps, and tokens released on its blockchain will continue to rise. Unfortunately, there are now so many it can be hard to keep track of them all. To help, we have comprised a list of the top 10 ERC20 tokens on the market today that could be a great addition to any crypto portfolio. What is ERC20? The accepted protocol for fungible tokens created on the Ethereum network is called ERC20. A token is considered fungible if it can be exchanged for another token. ERC20 facilitates the trading of several tokens with smart contract functionality. A coin, asset, or anything else that can be transferred from one entity to another can all be represented by tokens. Here are 10 of the best ERC20 tokens you can buy. First is Bud Blocks, Blunt. Bud Blocks is a developing ecosystem that is ideally situated to profit from the expanding legalization and decriminalization of marijuana around the world. The platform and its Blunt token are created to aid in and profit from the expansion of the marijuana market, which is anticipated to reach a value of $175 billion in 10 years. The Bud Blocks platform is a perpetually accessible online store where customers may purchase, sell, and exchange cannabis items peer-to-peer utilizing Blunt securely and privately. They also benefit from several member discounts and privileges. Investors' attention, however, has been drawn to some other benefits. Holders of Blunt have access to platform discounts, staking possibilities, and other benefits in addition to the option to own a portion of marijuana-related enterprises like farms, shops, and cafes. Second is Uniswap, UNI. Launched in 2018, Uniswap is the biggest and most well-known decentralized exchange, DEX, on the Ethereum blockchain. The majority of cryptocurrencies are traded on sizable, centralized platforms, which frequently causes liquidity issues. Uniswap has an automated liquidity protocol that encourages users to pool funds, with each coin having its pool, to get around this problem. An adaptation of the automated market maker model, AMM, developed by Uniswap, determines the market and trade prices. In this, liquidity reserves are held by smart contracts, and prices are determined by algorithms based on supply and demand. At this time, the Uniswap platform is not profitable. Transaction fees for trades automatically flow to the liquidity pool, thanks to its decentralized design. Liquidity providers can then use them to reward customers. Third is 0x, ZRX. A DEX built on the Ethereum blockchain is called OX. It was established in 2016 and functions as a peer-to-peer exchange where users may trade ERC20 tokens and a variety of other assets using smart contracts. Its token ZRX primarily serves two purposes. The first involves paying relayers trading fees, while the second concerns governance. The platform is made to allow anyone can use the OX launch kit to create a DEX on top of OX. Additionally, it has introduced the OX API, which aggregates liquidity throughout its entire network. Relayers are those that create a DEX based on the OX protocol and host off-chain order books. Fourth is Chainlink, LINK. Launched in 2017, Chainlink is a decentralized Oracle network. Oracles, often referred to as middleware, serve as connectors between off-chain data and the blockchain because smart contracts are on-chain but require off-chain data. To facilitate communication between outside sources and its users, Chainlink employs three procedures. The first step is oracle selection, in which the data requirements are established and the best oracle is then selected. The second has to do with how oracles gather information and relay it to blockchain-based contracts. The last step is result aggregation, which entails totaling all the outcomes. Fifth is Tether, USDT. Tether Limited is an established player in the cryptocurrency market, having started operations in 2010. It originated from the notion that the omni-layer protocol may be used to issue money on the Bitcoin network. As a platform that issues blockchain assets tied to the value of public funds, it was introduced in 2014. As a result, it produced USDT, the first and most popular stablecoin. The Chinese yuan, CNHT, the euro, EURT, a stablecoin pegged to an ounce of gold, XAUT, and the USDT token are now supported by Tether. Since then, more have been added. On the Bitcoin blockchain, Tether was first introduced using Omni and the Omni Explorer. The OMG network, Tron, EOS, Algorand, and other blockchains are now among those that it is accessible to. Sixth is Shiba Inu, SHIB. A decentralized cryptocurrency called Shiba Inu is named after a type of Japanese dog. It was created in 2020 by an unidentified developer by the name of Ryoshi to see what would transpire if a cryptocurrency was controlled by a community. Shiba Inu is commonly used as a Dogecoin substitute that is Ethereum compatible. It is also categorized as a meme coin, and like the majority of coins in this category, SHIB is deliberately overvalued. There are 1 quadrillion coins in the initial supply. The Shiba Inu ecosystem features 2 other tokens, Leash and Bone, despite SHIB being the most well-known on the platform. Seventh is the Sandbox, SAND. Built on the Ethereum blockchain, the Sandbox is a decentralized gaming metaverse where users may purchase virtual plots of land and then develop experiences and games on them that can be shared with others. The platform enables users to design structures, items, and even 3D animals that they can own, trade, or sell using NFTs. Users can also create games that they may monetize. 3 main components make up the platform. The first one is the voxel editor, which enables users to create and animate models. In-game tokenized NFT assets that people have created themselves or have been created by others can be traded on the marketplace. The game maker allows users to create 3D games using assets on their property. To ensure value, SAND's supply has been restricted to 3 billion tokens. The price of the SAND coin is likely to increase as Web3 and the metaverse spread throughout society and more people use the sandbox. Eighth is Aave, AAVE. Without the need for a middleman, the Aave platform connects cryptocurrency borrowers and lenders directly. It accomplishes this by utilizing a system of smart contracts that carry out transactions depending on software automatically. Users must provide collateral before they may borrow, like many other decentralized lending sites. They put their cryptocurrencies into a pool of liquidity so that they can be lent out to other people. Since customers are limited to the amount they can borrow, the platform will simply keep the deposit if they are unable to make payments. Ninth is Wrapped Bitcoin, WBTC. Wrapped to serve as a link and enable transactions between Bitcoin and Ethereum, Bitcoin was created. It enables access to the expanding Ethereum ecosystem of decentralized financial applications for Bitcoin users. Additionally, it gives dApps built on Ethereum more liquidity. The WBTC DAO, which consists of a mixture of merchants, custodians, and other parties, oversees the initiative. The DAO makes decisions about topics like modifications to the WBTC minting smart contracts. However, the fact that owners of WBTC may use their Bitcoin in the Ethereum ecosystem and its massive number of dApps is what makes it so alluring. Additionally, investors now have another means to access Bitcoin without having to go through a centralized exchange and the associated costs and wait times thanks to Wrapped Bitcoin's ERC20 compatibility. 10th is Loopring, LRC. Using the Loopring protocol, a DEX without a custody order book can be created. Its main selling point is that, although being based on Ethereum, it has created a Layer 2 technology that enables substantially faster transaction fees and far lower prices. This is accomplished by using rollups, a kind of scaling system, and zero-knowledge proofs. Together, these are referred to as ZK rollups, and they allow Loopring to speed up some computations while maintaining security by performing them off the Ethereum network. The native LRC token of Loopring, which complies with ERC20, is employed in significant protocol operations. The token also comes with some other features. For instance, it can be staked to receive a portion of the 70% protocol fees collected by the platform's exchanges. DEX operators may be motivated to work efficiently by it as well. On Loopring, those who want to open a DEX must lock up a certain amount of LRC, which can be taken away if they behave badly. The fact that the total supply of LRC tokens is limited to 1.375 billion and that 10% of fees are burned increases their worth. This implies that the supply of LRC tokens will eventually run out, necessitating their inclusion in a portfolio.